guys, welcome back to another video. I am back with my Nadine West October package. Let's get in and see what I got. So I absolutely love getting this envelope in the mail, you guys. I can't wait to see everything that they sent me. Nadine West, for those of you who don't know, is a fashion styling service, and I love it because of, compared to all the other fashion, styling services out there, I truly believe that this is such an affordable one. They have products that range anywhere from $10 to $30, and okay, so they do have a shipping debit that's $9.78, which by itself is not expensive in my opinion, and also you get those $9.78 applied to the total of all the products that you keep that month, so your styling fee or your shipping debit turns out to be free, which I think is totally amazing. Now, if you do decide that you do not want any to keep any of the products, then you do lose that $9.78 for that month. But even if that's the case, like I said, in my opinion, I think that is a very reasonable and inexpensive fee. Speaking of sending things back, when you do open your pretty pink envelope, you do not want to take your pretty pink envelope. You do not want to take scissors to your envelope, because if you do need to send anything back, this is the envelope that you will have to use in order to ship things back. So, yeah, so don't, cut it open with scissors or anything like that. But you know what? Opening it is very, very easy. I've never had an issue. Sometimes it does get a little stuck, but it's nothing that you can't just, pry open. What was I going to mention to you? The products themselves range anywhere from $10 to $30, which again, I find very reasonable, very reasonably priced. And even though it is a monthly subscription, you can skip months or you can change your shipment frequency. I know some people don't get it monthly, some people get it every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or I love that you can do that, and you can go in and change that or update it anytime, which I think is great. Also, every month you get to rate your item. So the products that they have can range anywhere from $10 to $30. Sometimes there are a few that are a little over or a little under than that range, but more often than not, that is the range for the products, which I think is totally reasonable, especially for the quality and everything of the products that I have received month to month. Now, I do get this envelope PR. However, I'm not paid to review them to you. I share them with you because I find I share it with you because I love sharing my unboxings with you, and also because I have found their products to be like really, really nice. And you guys know that I love sharing things with you, especially when I find that they work or that they've been working for me. So this is perfect. Right now, also, if you use the code Nadine when you sign up, and I'll leave the link in case you want to use it down in the description box. I don't get anything. However, I do want to pass on some savings to you. And if you use the code Nadine, that very first shipping debit of $9.78 will get waived. So you'll get your very first package for $0. So yeah, enough of the blabbing. Let's go ahead and get into the envelope and see what I received. I cannot wait to see what I got this month. So this is one of the little packs, and I love how the little packs are wrapped in pink tissue paper with the Nadine West sticker. It's just absolutely cute in my book. I love it. Then I got another one. Oh my gosh, I got three of these. In the envelope, you will also get 2 labels. One is your return label if you need to return any of the items. Like I said, what you do is you slap this label on top of the one that they use to send it to you, and then you pack whatever you don't want to keep, tape up the envelope, and ship it back to them. Also on the other label is a list of all the items that you received with their pricing, so that way you can see how much the product is if you decide to keep it. I get a mixture, and you'll get a mixture of tops, bottoms, sweaters, accessories. Super, super cute. Be sure to check out my other Nadine West unboxing so you guys can see what I mean about everything that I've received. Sorry, I have like glue all over my hands for some reason. Anyway, so I did get some accessories, and we will be checking those out last. Let's first take a look at the clothes I received. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this package first. And in here, this is, oh, it's a top. And this one is from Alter Ego. And I love how soft it is, guys. And look at this plaid. This is so cute. I love the colors on this. It's like a blue and like a mustardy type of yellow. This is perfect with my Bolzano October bag. Be sure to check that video out so you'll see what I mean. And I absolutely love it. It is long sleeve. It's got the little like sleeve little button here. So it's super cute. It is collared, and I love how soft it is, guys. Oh my gosh, perfect. Next up is, looks like another top. Yep, it is another top. This one is from Blue Leopard, and it's like a little knit top. Long sleeve. Again, the colors are perfect for fall. I love the little cuff there, and at the bottom of the front it has a little tie. Can you guys see that? And you can cinch it. So perfect. Absolutely love it, you guys. It looks like the color is U-shaped, very nice. I like it. It is a little like see-through-y. I don't know if you can tell. So this would be something that I would wear with like a little tank top underneath. But I absolutely love it. Let's take a look at the next package. Let's go ahead and open this one. Let's go ahead and open this one. And let's see. This looks like another top. Yep, and this one is from, where is this from? It looks like the same tag as the other one. Yep, it is. It is. So it is also from Blue Leopard, and this is what that looks like. It's more like a sweater top. It's very cute, very soft and warm. Long sleeves again, and the sleeves are kind of like cinched a little. I don't know if that's how it is or if that's just the stitching. I'm gonna have to try it on and see. Oh no, I'm sorry, I was cinching it. The sleeve is like this. It is a long sleeve. This is what the collar looks like. It's a nice length. That's what the bottom looks like. I don't know, does it fit in the picture? Yeah, there we go. That's what the bottom looks like. I really love these, guys. The colors are just amazing. Perfect for fall. Love it. Now, ooh, these look like, yep, they're bottoms. These are from Ivini or Ivini. That's what that is. This is in a burgundy color. And they are like slip-on, kind of like jeggings. They have this cool little design right here. They have pockets in the front and the back, which I love. I don't tend to put stuff in my pockets, but I like that they're there for some reason. Anyway, so that's what they look like. So they are like jegging type material, and that's what the bottom cuff looks like. I can't wait. These look like they're going to be a great length, guys. Y'all know that I'm short, and you know my main issue with bottoms is that they tend to be a little on the long side. You know, short girl life, right? So that is that. Let's take a look. This looks like another pair of bottoms, and these are from Yelette, I think is what it's called. That's what. And now these are softer. They also look like jeggings. They have that jegging look to them. They do have pockets in the front and the back. The pockets have these cute little silver accents on them. And that is what the front looks like. Very like simple but cute. And there you go. I do like these. They're nice and soft, guys. These are definitely more of like a jean material, while these are definitely softer. I absolutely like it. I can't wait to try these on. Then I have this, and oh, this is like a little cardigan, guys. And this is by Popular 21, and it's a little cardigan. It kind of looks like, it looks similar to one that I received, although it's not as thick as the other one that I received, but it is in the same color. It's kind of like a burgundy. It's definitely a little redder than a burgundy, but almost like a burnt red. Long sleeve, that's what the cuff looks like. It's got this like nice like draping over it. Very, very cute, guys. Love it. Love it, love it. And that is everything that I received for clothes. Let's jump into the accessories. So in here, the first one that I'm pulling out is this adorable little bracelet. It's got the two tones, as you can see, both silver and gold tone. Let's try it on and see. Ooh, love it. Look, guys, what do y'all think? I love it. It's got these cute little, like, stand up so y'all can see. It's got these cute little accents in the middle there. See them? Very cute. Love, love, love them. Love it. Let's see what else. Then I received, oh, this looks like, ooh, it's a necklace, guys. Let me see if I can get it untangled. So it looks like it's a layered necklace. That's what that looks like. And it's got that at the bottom. Let's try it on and see. Sorry that I got a little, it's a little tangled here. It's a little tangled here. There we go. I'm just taking off those tags and trying to untangle it so I can put it on. This is really cute, guys. It's got like the multiple layers. Try to. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh, very pretty. Okay, let's see. What do y'all think? I like it. So it's got this like little choker, then it's got a little one that's a little bit longer, and then last but not least, it's got this cute. Did I wrap this in here? Hold on. Sorry, it's so hard. I'm trying to look at the camera and it's like looking in a mirror. Oh, why can't I do this, guys? There we go. Oh, there we go. Let me see. Uh-oh, I can't get it. What do y'all think? I think this is pretty. I like it. I didn't, honestly, like when I saw it, I didn't think I was going to like it as much. But it is very, very pretty. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. And there's the bracelet. I absolutely love it. Super, super cute. One last thing, guys. And these are earrings. I love when they send me earrings. Now, I have very sensitive ears, and I'm not able to wear just any old earrings. So I love when they send me earrings because I have never had an issue with any of their earrings. And these are super, super cute. These are super cute. They're like little tree of life earrings. They're so cute. Let me take off these so y'all can take a look at the ones I got from Nadine West, and you can tell me what you think about them. Let's see. I'm sorry about the noise, guys, but the only place where I can get good lighting is here in the kitchen, which is why, well, the dining room, which is why you can, I tend to make like a lot of my videos here. But then of course, because it's here, it's also one of the most traffic filled rooms in the house. So everyone like walks through here and so forth. So I do apologize, guys. I gotta get myself some of those lights so that I can film somewhere else. Let's see. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, there we go. Alright, what do y'all think? I think these are really, really cute. They're a good length. They're not too long, not too short. Super cute with the little choker. And the bracelet. Love it, you guys. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Do you like it? Do you like all three? Do you like only one? Let me know which one it is. How about the outfits? Let me know which ones you like. And if you want to see more Nadine West unboxings, be sure to let me know down in the comments and click that like button. It really, really helps my channel out a ton. And I will see you guys next month.